Hello, welcome back to origami class. Today we're going to be making an origami boat that floats on water. Let's get started. All you'll need is a piece of A4 paper, so let's get started. First, what you're going to do is fold the top edge down to the bottom edge. Like that. Then unfold. Next, you're going to fold the shorter edge to the other shorter edge, like this. Make sure you crease it really well. Then rotate your paper so the fold is at the top. Next, you're going to fold the top right corner to the center crease that you have. Then repeat with the other side. Next, fold this top flap up as far as you can go, like that. Then turn over and repeat with the other side. Then you're going to put your hand inside it and pull outwards like this. So now your paper should look like this. Hook one of the flaps underneath the other one that are sticking upwards. Turn over and repeat with the other side. Now your paper should look like this. Then you're going to get this top flap and fold it upwards to the top. Turn over and repeat with the other side. Okay, then you're going to do the same movement. Put your hand in the bottom and pull outwards like this. Now your paper should look like this. You're going to pull these two flaps here open. Now flatten the paper down really well and then open it up a bit. And now you have your paper boat. Thank you for watching today's origami class. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. I hope you all had fun making your boat, and I'll see you next time. Bye!